Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix Roblox error code 280 easily. So basically, we are inside our Roblox account right here, and to fix this problem, it's extremely simple. Head over to the settings of Roblox. Now this could work for computers and mobile phones out there. Click on settings, and simply inside, you then want to navigate through the account information. And simply inside the setting, you want to find your time and date settings. Now the location will vary from device to device and the operating system. You want to make sure that the time and date are accurate. If they are not, you want to update them and try restarting Roblox. If this didn't work, you can then go ahead and exit out of Roblox right here. Head over to the add or remove programs, and simply inside, you can just go ahead and completely uninstall Roblox on your computer. Right after uninstalling Roblox, let's head over to the Microsoft Store, search on Roblox, and then we want to install a fresh copy of Roblox to go ahead and simply fix the problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.